Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking. My name is Sunny Kikoy and we will be doing another Soyoung reaction video, and this time we will be doing Soyoung's cover Memory, and I think this is a concert or whatever, and I'm so sorry for my voice. My voice is not that so jolly and so entertaining because there's something in my nose, but it's okay. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video. Play. Wow, this time Soyoung sang a classical song Memory, and she did justice to the song, but Soyoung's high notes were so perfect, but the legato or the lower voice or lower register, I don't think, yeah, some may not agree, some may disagree about this, but I think she must work on more on her lower, the legato, I think. Yeah, I'm not a singer, I'm just a listener, disclaimer. And that's it. Soyoung did great, and the song was flawless. And I noticed really her forte, and very good rendition. Anyways guys, if you have any more Soyoung songs you want me to react, please drop the link down on the comment box. And if you like this video, please don't forget me to give a thumbs up. And if you're not yet part of the family, please click the subscribe button and the bell button for you to be notified every time I upload new videos. That's it for now, and bye.